From Safiery, and we're going to have a look at the single round induction cooktop today. So here it is here without a pot on it, and it's designed so that it can actually drop in. You can actually build it in, or you can have it sitting out on a bench like we've got here now. It's got 4 little feet on it. We're bringing the power in from the solar outside through the Victron 6000 watt smart inverter, and we're having a look on the display here. So let's kick it off. So we turn it on and it starts off on high. And we're seeing on high that we're going to be pulling about 1800 watts, 1900 watts. So it's sitting up high. It'll boil very, very quickly. About 2 minutes for a litre of water. Let's now quickly turn this down. So I turn that down 1 level, and we're now down to 1400 watts. It'll just sit there. And then when we go low, 1 level lower again, it'll go down to 900, and now it'll pulse on and off. So you'll see it'll cycle, turn off 10, it'll keep going. So that single induction there, less than $200. How good is that?